Here's how to remove and replace your Shlever. First, place the Sidekick, Shlever side up. Then remove your shin pad and calf strap. Using your adjustment tool, turn the screw counterclockwise about 10 times until it comes free. The silver wedge will fall into the battery well. Retrieve that along with the screw and washer and place them in a safe spot. Rotate the Shlever 180 degrees, lift and safely detach. To reinstall the Shlever, place it back in the dock, then rotate it 180 degrees to lock it back in place. Insert the silver wedge back into the dock, reinsert the screw and the washer, and use the fit adjustment tool to lock it back securely in place. And tighten until you hear a click.